Welcome to the online video resources for head and neck by numbers. My name is Felicia Sigurd, and I am a dental hygienist and the author of Head and Neck by Numbers. I will also be your guide through the names, locations, and relationships outlined in the text. So let's start with how we use the text. It is very important that you do not write the names on the pictures. The whole point is that you're going to write the number that associates with the other page. So then you can flip it around with that coil binding and just look at the image and quiz yourself. So we'll go through, if you're looking at figure 1, the way it would work is I would say number 1 is superior, and on the screen will flash the image of what you need to color. Now, these videos were made to be short, so I'm not going to just stand here while you color, so feel free to pause me, color, and then start again. Now, we have to get something straight. I am not giving you the grade for this class. So if you find that there's a discrepancy between my book and what your teacher tells you, go with your teacher, okay? But other than that, I think that your teacher and I are both helping you to be a better student and learn anatomy in fun and interesting and hopefully helpful ways. Figure 13 is arteries of the head. Number 1 is the common carotid artery. It's common because it's about to split into two separate parts. From the common carotid artery, the first split is the internal carotid artery. This one is cut on our image because it's going to go directly through the carotid canal and enter the skull. Number 3 is the external carotid artery. This is the artery we are going to follow in this figure. Number 4 is the superior thyroidal artery. It's cut because it goes down to the thyroid. Number 5 is the lingual artery. It is also cut because it goes up into the tongue. Number 6 is the facial artery. This artery has lots of branches and we will talk about them later. Number 7 is the maxillary artery. It is cut and also has many extra branches. So many, in fact, that the next figure is completely dedicated to the maxillary artery. Number 8 is the occipital artery. Number 9 is the posterior auricular artery. Number 10 is the superficial temporal artery. Number 11 is the ophthalmic artery. It is actually a branch of the internal carotid artery, and it exits the skull through, you remember, right? The optic canal. The next 5 arteries are the branches of the facial artery. These can be easily remembered if you remember ASISA, A-S-I-S-A. Number 12, for the first A, is the angular artery. Number 13, for the S, is the superior labial artery. Number 14, for the I, is the inferior labial artery. Number 15, for the second S, is the submental artery. Number 16 is the last A of ASISA, the ascending palatine artery.